Hello, my name is Adam Bayless. I'm with Van Meter. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do a one-man circuit wire pull using some simple tools from Southwire. Tools we'll be using today is Southwire's CoilPAK cart, their GUIDEit, their GRIPIT, and their XD1 for wire pulling. Today we'll be using the Southwire CoilPAK cart. The CoilPAK cart isn't always necessary when you're pulling with coil packs, but it does make it a lot easier, especially when you're pulling from overhead or out of the ground just because of the pulley system. So we'll go ahead and we will install our GUIDEit. The GUIDEit just simply set screws into place. And you'll take your pulling eye and simply align it with the conduit you're about ready to pull into and feed your rope through. We'll take and we'll move our CoilPAK cart closer so that we're not pulling a lot of excess out. And now we'll install our pulling head. To install the Southwire GRIPIT circuit wire pulling head, all you'll need to do is feed your wire through and fold it over. There's no need for taping. The wire simply will not pull off. Once you have all your wire connected, it simply just hooks to the eye of your pulling rope. We're now ready on the feed end of a single man pull for circuit wire. Today we'll be using Southwire's XD1. The XD1 is a 1K wire puller from Southwire. It is capable of pulling 600 pounds continuous and a 1,000 pound peak. Perfect for circuit wires, pulling in your large rope on feeder and small feeder pulls. To set up, we will just brace your 1-inch conduit adapter up against the connector. You will put 4 to 5 wraps around your capstan, and you're now ready to pull. There's the head. So this was a 130-foot long circuit wire pull wrapping through 3 90s and 1 offset. In real time, we pulled this in just under 1 minute and 50 seconds with one person with just minimal tools. Without these tools, you would have used a man for helping you feed the wire to pull off of possibly 2,500 foot spool wire cart. You would have used your own body, your own strength to pull the wire through, which is possible, but by the end of the day, if you've got to do that repetitively, you're just tiring on yourself. If you'd like more information on these tools or the solutions that were used today, please reach out to any of your inside or outside sales team with Van Meter. Thank you.